That is a big question. How do you answer a case interview question so that you're able to successfully complete the interview? So when answering case interview questions, the most important thing above all else is to demonstrate to the interviewer your intelligence and ability to solve problems. There is a good chance that you will not even generate an answer, nor will it be correct. Often case interviews can simply end up being an exploration of issues, with the interviewer guiding you down one of the many possible paths, allowing you to formulate a solution to the problem. And you can give like a ballpark recommendation or an estimate. So with this in mind, never go too quick, because you may overlook a lot of important elements of the problem and take too narrow a focus. So just be sure to work at a steady pace. However, to ensure you can at least give a final answer if required by the interviewer. So you should always synthesize your answer. And always remember to interact with the interviewer and ask any questions to gauge the scope of the problem or fill in any missing gaps of the information. A lot of the details of the case will be withheld purposely, right? Because the interviewer does not want you to solve the problem very easily. They're trying to gauge how you think. So you have to see if you can determine yourself with extra information would be useful. This demonstrates that you are both inquisitive and thorough. And don't be afraid to be creative, guys, because consulting requires a large element of thinking outside the square and a lot of innovative ideas. So you can just be confident about your letting your personality come through, and you may get way off track in a case interview and think there is no way that you will make it to the rest round. However, your personality is what will get you over the line. A good point to make here is that the importance of bringing structure to your problem solving is very underrated, right? Because common methods and frameworks such as Porter 5 forces, the BCG matrix, SWOT analysis, revenue and cost modeling exercises, business life cycle analysis, mind mapping, key issues grouping, problem decomposition. These are just few of the ways that you can inculcate to bring structure to your thoughts. However, feel free to structure your solution any way you can, keeping in mind what feels appropriate given the nature of the case.